Alright, so how much money did I make in 2022 posting videos on YouTube as a small YouTube channel with less than 2,500 subscribers? Alright, so in today's video we're going to find out, so let's go ahead and jump right in it. What's going on, guys, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy JFord. We are back with a different type of video. So usually, I mean, if you're new here, you know I don't make these type of videos when I'm sitting in the office. Usually I'm in the truck or it's just a regular vlog or something. But decided to switch it up to bring in the new year. Let's bring in new year. I want to give you guys a little information as far as with the channel and everything, and also get some feedback from you all. So just kind of give you guys a little insight of how everything works for YouTube to start the new year. I know we're a little late in the new year, but I wanted to give myself some time to actually make some videos and do other stuff and enjoy my time before I even crank these videos back up. So with that being said, you guys see the title of today's video, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So as you guys may or may not know, I did announce it in one of my videos, so shout out to the ones as OGs that's been here. But I've been doing YouTube for 2 years now. I didn't actually get monetized for like a year and like 2 months later. So I got monetized last year in March. So I'm not gonna go over January, February, because obviously I didn't make any money because I wasn't monetized. So $0 January, February. All right, so March 20th, I got monetized. Let's go ahead and talk about what I made that month. That month I actually only posted one video, and I believe that one video will actually put me over the top. That video is the one thing that I hate about my lifted F-150. That video is actually one of my most viewed videos as well. So that video kind of put me over the YouTube requirements, and the YouTube requirements are 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, all in the same year. So basically within the last 365 days. So for the month of March, I did make a total of $29.27. Yes, I made a little bit of change. All right, let's move on to the month of April. In April, I really didn't drop any videos like that as well. So in the month of April, I made a total of $77.08. So being in this process as well, I still haven't really received a YouTube check from March or April just yet. So let's go on to the month of May. Now in May, I did see a slight increase. I did decide to go ahead and pump out more videos because I'm still trying to test out and get a feel for the whole monetization thing. For the month of May, I made a total of $94.42. In the month of May, that's when I got my first YouTube check. With YouTube, they won't pay you until you hit that $100 threshold. So for the 2 months combined of March and April, that's when I hit over $100. I believe it was like 106, somewhere in there. And I got my first YouTube check in the month of May. But so let's go ahead and jump over to the month of June. So I made a total of $77.05. So I put out a total of 2 videos in the month of June. In July now, I did put out quite a few videos. So in the month of July, that's when I finally hit the $100 threshold mark. So in the month of July, I made a total of $100.36. So I actually will be getting the check from May and June in that month of July, just because I didn't hit that $100 threshold before that. So in the month of August, I saw a slight increase in the amount of money I made. Not much of a big difference. You know, it was real, very, very slight increase. So in the month of August, I made a total of $102.38. So in September, I saw another slight increase. So very slight, like I said, very slight increase, and that increase is $2. So I made a total of $104 even in the month of September. And, you know, I'm pretty happy with seeing the increase because now I'm finding, you know, all right, I'm hitting the $100 threshold. Plus on top of that, you know, it's like I'm seeing a little increase. I'm seeing that I can actually make some little bit of money on YouTube. So let's move on to the month of October. So in the month of October, I actually saw a little bit more of an increase in the amount of money I made, but I saw a decrease in the amount of videos that I actually put out. In the month of October, I think I only put out maybe one video. Yeah, it was one video, and that was the rock light video. The month of October, I made a total of $110.88. Now, in the stretch of these next 3 months, particularly these next 2 months, I got extremely busy with client work. So that's the part of the reason why I didn't really put out that many videos. So I was already doing a lot of editing and everything like that. So the month of November, I really only put out 2 videos, and those 2 videos was at the end of the month, $105.28. But that next following month in December, I actually saw the highest amount that I made. Now, being that it's around the time of the holidays, you know that ads they're gonna put out more ads and everything, so I was able to make a little bit more money, and I was also put out a lot more videos. Now, with that being said, so if you guys know, I did do Vlogmas And if you guys don't know what Vlogmas is basically 25 videos for 25 days straight. So during this time, I was able to put out about around 15 videos, somewhere in there. Yeah, about 15, 16 videos. And I didn't get to finish because I was so busy from the previous month of doing client work. So I was doing a lot of editing. So I kind of figured I went ahead and made a decision to step back from YouTube, finish my client work, get all that video work knocked out, and we'll pick up everything with the YouTube videos in the new year. So for the month of December, I made a total of $147.79. Like I said, that was the highest amount of revenue that I made during my time of me being monetized. And so I'm pretty sure you guys are kind of already trying to add up the total everything of what I made for YouTube. So let's just go ahead and get it out the way and let you guys know exactly what I made on YouTube for the year of 2022. So for the year 2022, I made a total of $948.51. As far as YouTube videos, I didn't know exactly how much I would make, but I kind of knew I had a goal in mind of what I wanted to make. So my goal was to make at least $1,000, try to at least make $1,000. And as you see, I came a little bit shy of that, which is fine, you know, because now I know that I can, you know, get well past that. I actually have a full year being monetized. For my top earning videos, one of the top earning videos was one of the videos I mentioned earlier, which was the one thing I hated about my lifted F-150. That video actually made me a total of $88.91. The second video that I actually have is that video. I believe is my most viewed videos. That video I have close to 40,000 views on it. That video is actually a gun video. So I went to the gun range to test out. Well, I already tested out that gun because I done had it for a while, but my cousin had just bought one in FDE. So it's the St. Victor. That video is the testing the Springfield St. Victor 7.5-inch barrel 5.56. That video took a while for it to get monetized for some reason, just I guess because of the gun content, and using my content is all automotive. And that video did extremely well, but I only got an estimated monetized playback of 13,000 views. So you do the math, 13,000 views out of like 37,000 somewhere in there, 40,000 somewhere in there. On that video, I only made a total of $73.15. So I'm pretty sure that video probably would have been the top earning content if it would have been monetized when I actually dropped the video. That's all. That's pretty much. I want to give you guys a little insight as far as with YouTube. I really do enjoy making these videos, and I just want to give you guys a little insight as far as like what I made in 2022 as my first year being monetized, and to let you guys know that whatever the money that I make from YouTube, it goes right back into the truck. So, well, if you're watching, don't skip the ads. Watch the ads all the way through. Trust me, it helps the channel out. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's gonna help the channel out tremendously, and I greatly appreciate it. So, with all that being said, I'm looking forward to the year 2023. If you guys have any suggestions as far as videos, anything you would like to see in particular for this new year, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And like I always say, if you guys made it towards the end, you guys are a real one. I salute you, and I greatly appreciate it. And I hope we continue to grow in the year 2023. And I'm looking forward to everything and growing with you all. And hope you all grow personally in your lives as well. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. So without that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. We out.